Woodruff. I am a senior at MSUM. My major is geoscience with an emphasis in geoarchaeology, and I'm also getting a GIS certificate. I like working in the field. This is the first time I've actually worked with anything with the prairie restoration. I have another internship at the Clay County Courthouse. I am a GIS technician, and there I work under Mark Sloan, and I make maps and update documents. As of right now, that is what I'm doing. Today is my second day technically at this internship for the LCCMR, and I am just observing and gathering information on how I can potentially help on the GIS side in the future.
I am a sustainability major at MSUM. I have an emphasis in environmental science and environmental policy. I kind of got into this field when I went to Peru for a time. I did some field work in Peru, and I came back, switched my major, and did some wetland research at Rutgers University. And now I'm working with Allison Wallace on her nutrient network project here at MSUM. And as far as that North Pond site, we are able to do student-based research aside from what just the nutrient network protocols ask for. And one of the projects that I have been working on, I got a grant to do some drone photography over there. So we added nutrient additions of potassium, nitrogen, phosphorus, and then we added a micromax fertilizer too. And so what I'm going to be doing with that drone photography is using GIS technology to kind of track the spread of specific species through time as we've added those nutrient additions.
Hello, my name is Joe Clace. I'm an intern here at MSUM in our science program. So what I'm doing is I am part of Dr. Sarah Anderson's soil microbial research study. So we are looking at different microbials within the soil themselves, mostly the bacterium, and looking at how they're affecting the soil community themselves. So the root systems, the plants themselves, how are they interacting with the soil itself. So we are out in the field a couple of days a week collecting different samples at different sites around our science center. I've been a part of our part of the turtle study that's been going on here. So that's paired with Dr. Donna Stockrum and a couple other professors here, and it spans like 15 years. It's really cool. But we are, Donna's group is kind of the field collection group, and then we are the data analysis. So we're looking at the turtle DNA itself and running PCR tests and a bunch of other things that we do with them. Technique really does go hand in hand with being able to use technology. So I think it is really important that you should know just as much technology as you do the more of the hands-on harder tasks, because without like apps like Collector or whatnot, we wouldn't know even where we're sampling. So I mean, that GPS gave us a really nice, like, I know where people have sampled in the past and where exactly I should be sampling now. I mean, it's still like random sampling, so it's just kind of like, I feel like here. But it's really nice to see where other people have been and to know that that stacks up over time. So eventually we'll have 100 sample sites from one source, which is very cool. And we wouldn't be able to see that without GPS.